Saturday, October 14th, 7:32 p.m. I'm about to show y'all everything that I got. Okay. Bags full. Let's get it. Y'all, this is all hair products and content creator essentials. I'm so excited to open them. Blue shampoo for wigs. Oh, deodorant. This is Iron Guard Thermal Protection Heat Spray. Chi, however you say this. Silk Infusion for my silk press. Paddle brush. It heats up while you blow dry your hair. Ceramic plated 1-step blow dry and straighten. And I got 2 bags of what I got from the beauty supply. Now I'm going to show y'all everything that I got from the beauty supply. We're going to start off with this is a clarifying shampoo. It is going to help cleanse my hair like to the fullest extent. You can also use apple cider vinegar if you don't want to buy a shampoo, but that is what this is going to do. It's going to reset your hair and your scalp. I'm doing me a silk press, so this is important. That's number 1. Then we have a strengthening shampoo. I learned that when doing a silk press, you need to shampoo with 3 different shampoos, and this is going to put all the strength back in your hair. And the first, for my low porosity hair, the first ingredient should always be water, and the first ingredient on here is water. And they said honey is also a good hydrator or moisturizer for your hair, and the second ingredient is honey. So then the third shampoo is going to be a hydration shampoo. Hydration and moisture is different. So I learned that hydration is getting water into your hair, hydrating your hair, like quenching the thirst. And moisture is putting something on top to make it soft and make it feel like fluffy, bouncy, or whatever. So hydration is the key step to a silk press, which is what the video said. So I got a hydrating shampoo because I have low porosity hair, which means my hair, it don't take in water as easily, so it take like a long time to get water saturated into my hair. And with this shampoo, it's gonna be really saturated. So this is promoting hydration in my hair, which is the problem with low porosity hair. It needs hydration. So then I have, oh, I forgot to mention this at the beginning. Co-wash, conditioner, and detangler, quench 3-in-1. So the first ingredient is water. All of these products, the first ingredient is water because that's important for low porosity hair. And so this is just gonna help me before I start washing. Once I take down my hair, detangle it and everything. After the hydrating shampoo, then I would do a honey miracle mask deep condition. So that is what this is. The first ingredient is honey. TGIN, y'all need to sponsor me, baby, because I just dropped a bag on y'all products, okay? This is going to help put the hydration and moisture back into my hair for my silk press. Y'all, they said for a successful silk press, it starts at the wash bowl. Like, it starts with how you wash your hair, how good you wash your hair, and then how good you blow dry your hair. So that's where it starts. If you want a nice silk press, you need to do your research. But yeah, for low porosity hair, I'm gonna put a mask on it because my hair been in braids and I never really took care of my hair. I never really knew the proper routine for my hair, so I would try stuff but never be consistent. So that's why I got all the same brand. Yeah, I got products from the same brand. I didn't really steer away from this brand. After the deep condition mask, then I'm going to use rose water hydrating conditioner. And they say for low porosity hair, rose water is very hydrating. They say that the video that I watched said that rose water is very good. So the first ingredient is water, the second ingredient is rose flower extract. So yes, this is going to be really good for my hair. Notice a lot of my products are rose water from TGIN, and they're pretty too. So after the hydration conditioner, I already told y'all why I need hydrating products. I have a rose water soothing leave-in conditioner. This is a lightweight moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So now that I'm done with the wash process, I want to be able to moisturize my hair. So now that my hair is hydrated with the products that I use, now I have to moisturize with this leave-in conditioner. That's gonna give it that that bounce, that fluff. Is gonna seal in the hydration. And also with this step, when you do this step, you're going to be under the steamer or blow dryer or something. Low porosity hair needs steam while you're treating it. So the leave-in conditioner, this is gonna need heat added with it. So I'll be under the blow dryer, or my mom got a steaming cap that I might use. And then after that, I might put this on, but they said less product is good. So if I put this on, I probably wouldn't put this on. And then these are kind of like the same thing. This is Mazzani. This is what the stylists use. But I wanted to try this brand, but I got a spray leave-in conditioner basically, and then I have a cream, milky, not a cream, this is like a milky texture. Oh, it is a cream. It's like, maybe I shouldn't have got this, because this is probably too thick for my hair. I didn't even pay attention. I don't know, I'll feel it, but matter of fact, let me see. Yeah, it's like, this might be too thick, I don't know. So we'll see about this, but this is just, if I put the leave-in conditioner, I might not put this, or I might not put leave-in conditioner and just spray this in my hair, because it has to have a milky consistency for low porosity hair. You can't use thick products. Like, our hair already have a hard time taking in moisture and hydration, so you want to make it as easy as possible, if that makes sense. If y'all got any questions, let me know in the comments. And then I just got some dye from my wig. I was gonna dye my wig, but I'm not gonna do it right now. And some developer. That's gonna be a separate video. So yeah, these are all my products that I got. Oh, also I got products from Amazon. I have a paddle brush. I saw on the video this guy was using a paddle brush to do his silk presses. He said the main thing is tension and heat when you blow dry it. So this brush is gonna heat up while I'm blow drying my hair, and it's gonna help me with the detangle and straighten process before I start with the flat irons. And then I have Iron Guard, which is a heat protectant. And then I have Silk Infusion. It's sort of a Silk Infusion Chi. Now I don't know if it's the fake Chi, because I ordered this off Walmart, and it's supposed to have the black writing right across it. I saw it had the black. I don't know if that's the fake version with the black writing across the Chi, but yeah, I ordered this off Walmart and it had the black writing across it in the picture, and now it came with no black writing. So yeah, but this is Silk Infusion, so it's to help the silk press, but less products is more, really. So I might just put this on my hair after I wash it, and this. So to go back over it, the first step in hydrating and moisturizing your hair, you're going to start off with a clarifying shampoo. Then the next step after that clarifying shampoo, you're going to strengthen the hair with a strengthening shampoo. And then after that, you're going to hydrate the hair with a hydration shampoo. And then you're going to do a deep conditioner if you need it. I don't know if this is a necessary step. I still got to do more research, but if you feel like you need a deep conditioner, deep condition with heat. And then you are going to use a hydration conditioner to get that hydration into that low porosity hair, and then you can use a leave-in conditioner, and then you want to use a heat protectant spray. So yeah, y'all, that's really it for this video. Let me know if this information helped you, and also if you want to tell if your hair is low porosity or high porosity, you can get a bowl of water. Take a strand of your hair. I took like 3 strands just to make sure. Take a strand of your hair and put it in the bowl, and if it sinks to the bottom, you have high porosity hair. If it stays on top, you have low porosity hair. So yeah, I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. But until next time, bye.